Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone and you update iOS 27 developer beta version. So iOS 27 are introducing reframing for your photos. How to use, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration on my iPhone screen. Let's start. First of all, I just simply enter the setting, then general, then software update. Make sure you update iOS 27 developer beta version. Afterwards, you can go back here and you just simply open here a random one of the image. This is the image I open here, and if you click here in the bottom of screen, three dots is available. Just simply tap here and look at this here, bottom of the screen, adjust, filter, crop and tools. Previously this feature is not showing. Previously here is showing cleanup, but if you tap here tools, so boom, three new features they are introducing inside the tool. One is a cleanup, extend and reframing. In this video, we will discuss reframing. If I tap here reframing, using reframing, you can reframe your photograph like this. Look at this. Reframing means how much portion you capture in this particular image. Accordingly, you can reframe and change the position as well for this particular pictures. So this is the really impressive features they are introducing. And afterward, if you say reframe, so reframing your video is working. Let's see. Afterwards, we are receiving exact frame. Currently here some frame is a disturbing in the teeth section, but let's see which types of image we are receiving here completely. So such a reframing features you are receiving, but this one I don't like this one. So I go back here and I just simply click here. This is the picture. Again tap here, the tool, reframing. So let's see how much portion I am capturing on this pictures. So this is the reframing concept. But if you reframe this one, so my picture is disturbing here. Which image you want reframe, and if it is really worth it to reframe your original image using these features, then see, so like this, change the location. But if you change the location, so image is automatically disturbed of yours. So after changing this one, you just simply reframe, and reframing your photo, after spending couple of seconds, you receive, wait couple of seconds to complete this process. So afterwards you are receiving such a output. So this is the simple way you can access iOS 27 or introducing reframe inside the tool. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.